name is Greg. Today I will tell you a story about the Nightingale. Once upon a time, there was a king. He lived in a beautiful palace in the land of China. Behind the palace was a forest. In the forest lived a nightingale. The nightingale sang so sweetly that he was noble and wise. People even wrote books about him. One day, the king read one of the books. This bird lives in the forest behind my place, but I have never heard him sing. I must, said the king. So he sent trusted servants to bring back the nightingale. The servant went into the forest. By and by, he came upon a plain brown bird, singing a sweet song. It was the nightingale. Will you come to the palace and sing for the king? Asked the servant. Of course, said the nightingale. At the palace, the nightingale sang and sang. The king loved the music so much that he cried. I will buy you a dancing cake, so you can sing for me always, he said. So he did. By and by, a present came from the king in Japan. Inside was a toy nightingale. It was made of gold and covered with jewels. The king looked at the toy bird and he said, "This is so pretty. I will place it in a cage with the real nightingale," he said. So he did. By and by, the king seemed to forget all about the real nightingale. Feeling unwell, he flew back to the forest. No matter, the toy bird is better, said the servant. At night, the king listened to the toy bird sing, but one day it broke. It will never sing again, the servant said steadily. Years passed, and the king grew very sick. My only wish is to hear a music of the nightingale. He begged the toy bird to sing, but of course it did not. By and by, the nightingale heard that the king was sick and flew to his window. He sang a song so sweet that the king was quickly healed. Dear nightingale, make me well. Come back. I will throw away the toy bird. Then you can live in the palace all by yourself, said the king. No, it's the toy bird, said the nightingale. I like the forest, but I will come to your window every night to sing. So he did, and his sweet music spoke to everyone forevermore. Thank you for listening.